Well, welcome back into the studio and the final layout in the Lark series. So this is the tab bound journal that I've been working through here. And to begin with, I'm getting the tabs laid down for the final page because if you've been following along, this is I do this before I start on the actual layout because I like the tabs to become part of the layout itself. So I've pulled those tabs over and adhered them, but we're going to be dealing with the final page tabs a little bit differently. So instead of having all the tabs pulled over, I'm just going to be trimming them off and then laying them down into the centerpiece. So I'm just going to kind of switch those over so they're part of the layout itself, just like all the other layouts, but not showing on the back cover.
See it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates. Something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.
So I'm just going in with some of that vintage 1920s ladies' home journal pages and some of these vintage written pages that I have tea and coffee stained, and just getting the basic layout done. I am going to be using the same color scheme as I have throughout this whole journal. So that is the Titan Buff, Naples Yellow, Yellow Ochre, and Burnt Umber. So I'm going to start there.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do. 'Cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now. Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you.
So off camera onto mixed media paper, I sketched the Linda Lewis's face, and I'm gonna adhere that to the left page of this layout, and I'm gonna use that as my base and work off of that and go in and fine tune her hair, etc.
Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight.
And I've just been adding the color around the paper with the face on it just so I can blend it in and kind of make it part of the piece. And now that I've got that good and dry, I am going to seal the pencil work I did with a little bit of this TCW matte gel medium so that it doesn't move or smear as I work on that paper. And I'm getting ready to mix some of the blended fibers along with my burnt umber acrylic paint for the hair. I don't know if you've seen any of the other layouts, but in some of them, this is what I've used to create her hair.
I don't mind taking my time. Stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we're soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah. All I want to to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah.
Listed below is a supply list of all the products that I've used. Some of them you'll notice have links next to them. They might be links to either my Etsy store if it's a product I carry, or possibly an affiliate link. The way affiliate links work, if you're unfamiliar with that, is I can receive a small compensation if you purchase something using one of those links. There is never any additional cost to you to use the links. It just helps me to keep art supplies on my table and thus my channel content coming.
Taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is
Now that that layout is done and has dried, I'm going to go ahead and finish the tab binding on this book. So you're going to see here where I'm just pulling over the lace part, the lace tabs onto the back cover and adhering those. And all that's left from here really is to do the front cover. This is almost a final finished piece.